Today we're going to be trying a different type of look. As you guys may or may not know, your girl struggles with blue eyeshadow looks. Like, I think it's because I have that golden undertone. This is just my lip primer so that my lips don't feel dry. When you have a golden undertone, those blue shadows look sharp. I don't know what it is. It's color theory or something, but I always look so washed out whenever I do blue eyeshadow. But I got this really cute palette. Okay, this Ace Beauty palette. It has some of the most beautiful blues in there. Like, look at that. I want to use them. So we're gonna do a thing. We're gonna try to make it work on my skin tone. We'll just see what happens. I'm gonna go in with the Ace Beauty primer, like the Instagram people. It's a little bit smoother when they do it. I'm really trying to go through all my products. And the sad thing is, I found a box filled with products that I had set aside for a giveaway. But now I'm just like, they've been sitting there for a long time. So I don't even know if they're still any good. And the last thing I want to do is give old product to y'all. Going in with my Fenty, she's running out. As you can see, she's on her last leg. This is probably one of the last few times I'm gonna be able to use this bad boy. I'm gonna try to get a different type of Fenty. So I wanna try one of the other formulas, but then I also wanna have my holy grail. Okay, this is definitely a holy grail for your girl. I've been obsessed with Fenty for like the longest. I need to go to Ulta. I want to set like a budget for myself to go to the store and get some things that I've been wanting to try. I don't want to do it because I'm cheap. I am the female Mr. Krabs. Okay, or at least I want to be. I don't like spending money. I don't like spending money. I prefer to get it in a deal. I prefer to get it on sale. I do not like paying full price for a damn thing. I gotta see what's popping with that. See how I can get my hands on it without breaking the bank. I always have such a bad time getting the makeup around my nose. I'm gonna just put like another little smidge here. I'm gonna focus it right on my nose. It always looks a mess. By the way, if you hear or see baby girl, she baby girling. Okay, I don't get in baby's business. Okay, baby be in my business, but I stay out of baby's business. What you laughing at? You don't even know what that joke means. Y'all, I'm so late. I have not gotten any Halloween costumes. I mean, my son, he's gonna wear Bella's first Halloween costume because it was just like a little mouse. I just gotta get it out of storage. But I don't even know what I'm gonna have Bella be for Halloween. I want my kids to enjoy Halloween. I didn't get to really enjoy it as a kid. You know, my parents weren't like religious or anything. They just didn't celebrate holidays like that. They celebrated like Christmas or Thanksgiving. We just didn't celebrate holidays like Halloween or anything like that. I think I went trick-or-treating like once, maybe twice when I was like in middle school, and then that was it. Going in with my pink lips. Okay, we're definitely gonna re-up on her. Look at how much. Man, I feel like I said that last time, but I'm still distraught. Granted, I have some other contours that I want to try out, but still, this is my homegirl. This is the homegirl. We love her. We stan her. This is one of my first like products that I ever got from like my BoxyCharm, so she's special. Okay, she's special to me. I actually really like this. I like this for blending out my under eye, and this concealer is that girl. I'm so nervous about this blue look. And of course, I'm doing it on a day where I gotta film. I'm literally about to do a live stream in like 30 minutes. So I gotta do well, okay? I gotta make sure I'm very careful, okay? Very careful about what I do, because I could be looking a mess tonight, and I don't wanna look a mess. Baby girl's just out here repeating my little makeup terms. Blend out. Yeah, you gotta blend it out. No harsh lines. Let's go ahead and set the face. Hula. Hitting pan. Okay, we're actually making a dent in some of these products. For my blush, Moon Slice Beauty. Okay, and this is in Beautiful. Very pretty pink. Yeah, baby girl, nothing too crazy. Time for the brows. Okay, I'm using my Wet n Wild Brow Excessive. I think that looks good. Now for the eyes, okay, the fun part. We want to lay down some powder. Since we are going to be in our blue bag, we need to make this kind of work. So I think I'm going to go into this as my transition shade. Oh no. I think I already messed up. Bruh, maybe I can make this work. But I need to just go on ahead and commit. Popular. I think we're going for Wicked. I should have started off with like a brown. I don't know. I am gonna blend this out as best I can. Hopefully this works. Maybe I'm onto something, okay? Maybe I'm cooking and I just don't know what I'm cooking. We're gonna think happy thoughts. We are gonna dip into Lagoon because that is a very nice deep shade. We're gonna jump into this. Okay, I'm gonna just tap into it ever so slightly. Okay, we don't wanna go too crazy with the deeper color. And I'm just gonna try to like blend that, start getting that blue color. Not too bad. Let me not speak too soon, because it would be my luck that I speak way too soon and then it ends up looking a mess. Now we're gonna go back to our brush. We're not gonna add anything. We're just gonna try to blend. So far, so ugly. Hopefully the shimmers can fix it. Hopefully the shimmers and the eyeliner can fix it. Cause right now I'm just, I'm a little bit concerned. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start off with this brighter color here, and then I'm gonna dip into this one towards the end or middle end. Look at how beautiful that is. They're so buttery. Okay, I think that's doing something. It's doing something. I don't know if it's a good something. We're gonna go into this deeper shimmer and we're gonna put that in the middle. Try to create like a gradient. Looks a mess. You know, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. I think it looks a mess. Oh no, let me see if I can just kind of like blend this or something, cause this looks crazy. Crazy. Yeah. Crazy baby girl. I just need to like get somebody professional to do like a really pretty blue makeup look for me, because I can't do it on my own. It just ends up looking a mess every single time. No fail, it ends up looking a mess. Since we're, you know, point of no return, I'm just gonna take whatever's left over and sweep that underneath. Okay, there's not that much, so I'm gonna have to dip back into that deeper blue. Maybe an inner corner highlight will help. Or it'll just make it look even more chopped. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. I'll just have to give a disclaimer that I played in makeup today and it looks a mess. I guess I can just go into this color right here, since it's the other color I have not played with. That's in this blue family. Very soft, very soft. Let's see. Oh, that looks a mess. God, that looks a hot mess. But we've already started. It's a hot damn mess. Maybe I can fix it if I layer this over the top. I should have known. It's way too dark. Let's see. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe I'm just deluding myself. It looks a mess. It looks a damn mess. Look like a super villain. I'm gonna have to put on some lashes to save this. It looks so bad. Bro, let me just put a little bit more blush on. Maybe that'll make me feel better. Embarrassing, okay? I'm terrible at blue eyeshadow. And it's like, I watched the tutorials. Blue just is not my color. I just have to accept it. The thing is, I don't want to accept it. I'm gonna just use this eyeliner. I gotta do it off camera, because let's be so for real. And then I'm just gonna use this to line the bottom of my eyes. I believe this is Rachel Couture. I guess since it's like Halloween time, you know what I mean? Ugh, look at that creasing. I need to like do my makeup much faster, or like spray it in between. I need to do something. I don't know. I need to do something, okay? I need to do something. I'm gonna go ahead and spray down with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set. I just have to just be okay with looking a mess today, I guess. But it's Halloween time, so I guess I can get away with it. People won't think that I'm just being crazy. They'll be like, oh, it's a Halloween look. You know, maybe that's just what I'll tell people, okay? That's what I'll tell people. I was going for Halloween, okay? I was going for a bruja or something. I don't know. I'll say something, because this looks a mess. We're gonna try something new, and this is the MAC Stack Eyelash Primer. I've never used this. I got it in like an Ipsy. I'm gonna try it. Oh snap. Whoa. Let's see if this does anything. I've never used an eyelash primer before. Hopefully I can get rid of all that white. I think I'm only gonna do one coat, okay? We don't wanna do the most. Next I'm gonna go in, well, should I wait a little bit? You know what, let me do my lip and then I'll put this over that, because I don't know if you gotta like wait or not. For my lip line, we're gonna go with Lovecraft Beauty, and this is like a nice little brown shade in Fuzzy. And we're gonna line the lips. Okay, put the lips in line. That actually went on really well, by the way. Part of me wishes I was like into makeup, like really into makeup during like 2015, 2016, that whole time. Because it's like everyone was having fun with their makeup, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be using my Fenty, I forget what color this is, but it's a nice little nudie shade for me. Oh, Mother Lover, that's what it is, Mother Lover. I wish I was into makeup during that time, because everyone was having fun with their makeup. And now, like, I got into it when everyone was starting to go into the clean girl. I feel like I kind of missed out. I was doing the clean girl look when everyone was doing everything else. And then now that everyone's doing the clean girl look, I want to do something different. I'm going to top this with the Eloise and Berries, my bad. Just like a little sample. I'm gonna go in with my Big Mood mascara. And hopefully we'll see some type of a difference since the eyelashes are primed. I mean, I already like this mascara, so I do kind of see a difference. I'm not even gonna lie. I do kind of see a difference. They are a little bit harder to comb through, I will say that. Primer made them a little bit crunchy. So maybe I wasn't supposed to wait. If you've used eyelash primer before, let me know the tea. Let me know how I was supposed to use this, because I don't think I did it right. Yeah, I like that. I really do like that. Okay, Ipsy. Maybe I will keep my Ipsy for showing me products like this. Yo, I want so badly to sign up for my BoxyCharm again. Like, I know I have too much stuff. It's just like I can't help myself. This is the final look. Okay, looks a mess. I want more blush. I feel like whenever I jack my makeup up, I just want to like add blush to it because it makes me feel better about having jacked up makeup. Maybe it doesn't look as bad as I feel like it does. Maybe I just made it worse with all that damn blush. But this is the final look. It's not giving. Okay, it's not giving. It looks a mess. That like shimmer is so patchy. Like it's actually really patchy. Let me see if I can fix that. Let me see if I use a brush. Okay, maybe if I use a brush, it'll look better. Okay, that actually looks way better. Bruh, don't tell me this whole time it's because I didn't use a brush. Usually you get a better application of shimmers with your hand. Let me find out. Let me find out this is the first shimmer where you get better application. Okay, that actually looks better. Okay, now I want to do a thing. Now I want to see if I can get that gradient that I was trying to do before. That actually looks really pretty. Okay, now we're cooking with grease. Okay, we're cooking with grease. I just need to blend that in a little bit. Okay, maybe we did do a thing. Ooh, that blue. Now that blue is popping. Okay, now that blue is popping. I still think I jacked it up with the inner corner highlight. Okay, it's too dark. It's way too dark. Gotta put a hair on my face. This is the final look. The only thing I'm not happy about is the inner corner highlight now. The rest... The rest is really beautiful and popping. It's just that inner corner highlight is just, it's a mess. I keep wanting to try, okay? I keep wanting to try to fix it. What if I put, no, that's gonna look a mess. Let me not, okay, let me not. I'm gonna have to try this look again with the correct inner corner highlights, okay? The correct type of inner corner highlight. But yeah, y'all, I am curious to hear you guys' thoughts about my makeup look. What do you guys think? Be honest, okay? If it looks a mess, tell me it looks a mess. That's how we learn, that's how we grow. We don't grow from people glazing us and telling us it looks good when they don't. Thank you guys so much. Let me know how you guys feel about all this down below, and I will see you guys next time. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye Bae, and I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.